Good morning, people. Are we on? Can you guys hear me? 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 Can you guys hear me?
Today is Wednesday. No.
Yeah, today's Wednesday. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. How's everyone doing this morning? Can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me? We live. Yo, sorry, they just had some small technical difficulties, but we are online. We are online. We are online. We are online. Away. What's up, Makalis? What's up, Makalis? It's been a minute. It's been a minute. It's been a minute. How's everyone doing today? Are we ready to operate? Are we ready to operate? Let's see, 1 second. How's everyone been? How's everyone been? Let me know in the chat how you guys been. I think the last time I was here was last week, Thursday. No, Wednesday. Yeah, I was gone for a week, bro. I was gone for a week. But we are back. And we are ready to make some money. We are back and we are ready to make some money, guys. Yo, I've seen it's been crazy. The market has been crazy for the last couple of days, guys. Yo, I took out a signal on Thursday, hit stop loss. Signal on Monday, I hit stop loss. Yo, but don't stress. We're going to chop it up today. 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 Let me come to the chat and then we'll see what's going on.
Sorry,
OG, what's up? I'm good, bro. How are you? Away. Cool. Let's get straight into it, my people. Gonna start learning the chart now also. Yeah, 100%, guys. Let's push, man. Let's push. So the trading view that we're currently using is not our normal one. So our settings might be slightly, okay, no, it's not that bad. It's fine. We can actually use this. Okay, cool. So let's have a look at the market, guys. Let's have a look at the dollar, man. Let's have a look at the dollar, see what the dollar has been doing this past few days. I wasn't very active on the charts. I was away. 1 second. I was away in Durban. So let's just have a look at what the dollar was doing overall. Okay, so starting with the dollar. Okay, so I do see that on my daily time frame. Okay, if I look at my daily time frame, I do see that overall the dollar is still bullish. Okay, meaning price is creating these higher highs and higher lows. Okay, so you guys have a look here. Price overall is very bullish. Okay, so as long as price does not, why can't you guys see this? Okay, here we go. As long as price does not break below this low here, okay, we are still looking for buys on the dollar. Oh, this is a fat thing here, man. We are still looking for buys as long as price does not break that. All right. Now, the reason why the market is so volatile and it's up, down, and it's just doing crazy movements is because on the higher time frame, the dollar is bullish. But on my lower time frame, which is the 4 hour, we are still currently bearish. Because remember, price on the higher time frame, if this is the low on the daily and that's the high on the daily, right? In order for price to come down and retrace to create a higher low, on the lower time frame, it's creating lower lows and lower highs, right? But it could still potentially push up and do that and create that higher high overall, okay? So that's what's causing a lot of confusion and stuff in the market. Lower time frame is bearish, higher time frame overall is bullish, right? So ideally, we need to be very, very conservative with the trades we are taking, right? Because remember, as you guys know, I like to trade, or it's always safe to trade when overall the market is moving in one direction, meaning the higher time frame is bullish, lower time frame is bullish, then it's very easy to trade, right? Now, using my FOB from this low to that high, okay, we do see that price is around that hot area, that hot zone that I like to trade off, right? And there is a level of support that we can see the market has created here, right? A few times we see market has rejected, right? If we go to here, then we can make it a psychological level of 99, I think it is. Let's see how that looks. In fact, let's create it a zone 99, and we'll go to 99 to 50. For 99 to 50, right? So around this area here, we do see some level of support. If I go into my daily as well, you can see this nicely here, right? So this area here, there is some sort of support, but I think the lower time frame bearish momentum is still too strong right now, right? It's still too strong, right? Which is why price has not pushed up already, right? So that's what I'm seeing on my 4-hour time frame. Let me have a look at my 1-hour time frame is also bearish as well, man. It's also still very bearish as well. So this retracement could even come further down. Number one, it could even come down to this previous low, and then overall the dollar will still be bullish, or it could break below that and break bullish structure entirely, and then overall the dollar will turn into a bearish market. Okay, so just something to have a look at overall. So ideally, if you're going to be in and out of trades, if you are going to go in very hard, you don't want to hold something too long, because as we said, we don't know what the dollar will do overall. We're not sure if it wants to come down and break this bullish structure, or we're not sure if this bullish structure is going to hold and eventually price is going to push up to the upside, right? So let me just draw a level of support here. Yeah, I like that 750 area there. Yeah, right. So we're going to have to monitor this. We're going to have to monitor where it is currently. It's very hard to say, because we're not sure if it's going to break or it's going to push up, right? So dollar right now is a bit risky. Let's go to gold. Let's see what's happening on gold. So gold, we saw that overall, of course, the dollar is retracing. So of course, gold is retracing, because gold was also bearish, right? So remember, gold is the opposite of what the dollar does. Right? So overall, gold was pushing to the downside, and then now we see price could be in some sort of a retracement phase. Okay, I do see that we have a level of resistance here that was a previous level of support. So if you have a look here, price was supported there, and if you have a look here, is this a psychological? No, one second. We got this psychological level over here that price looks like it rejected. I'm not sure if it really tapped in. Yep, it just tapped in. It tapped in, and then we see some sort of rejection. That's what I'm seeing on my 4-hour. On my 1-hour time frame, however, it still looks very bullish, guys. On the lower time frame, it hasn't really broken structure, so it's not safe to look for a sell just yet on this, especially if you're considering going in and out. Bro, you can't really see. What do you mean you can't see, my brother? I'm not sure what you mean you can't see, bro. On this side, it looks like you guys can see everything. I'm going to add this level here of 45,750. We do have this big bearish engulf. No, not really engulfing pattern, sorry. We have a strong bearish candle here. I think what we can wait for, right? Because remember, this could also be this high, and that could be a low. Right? And I do see prices at the 78.6 area there, where we got rejection. So let's monitor how price behaves around 4575, right? And if we see some sort of rejection, we guys can look into going for a small scalp on a sell. But let's monitor and see if we get that rejection at this area. Right? If we get this rejection, then we can consider going in. But I want to see a rejection at least on a 50-minute or a 30-minute, guys. Else it's going to be a bit too risky. We can also add our other psychological level here of 550, and we can just monitor the 30-minute here for now. But right now it doesn't look like where it is currently. I wouldn't take anything at the moment. Can see hundreds. Aware. The charts are unclear, bro. Is it, guys? Oh, why is that so? Is it better now? Maybe I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. Let me know if it's better now. Let me know in the chat if it's better, guys. Let's check German. I know German did push up at the open, right? I don't. Why is this? So this FXM no. German 30. I use it on Pepperstone. Oh no, I use German 40. My bad. This was a decent buy here that the market gave us, but of course we didn't get the retracement, so I didn't even enter this. And also I was just waiting to log on here. But this does look bullish. I think we can see a continuation of price going up here. Even if I go into my lower time frame, let's go into the lower time frame here on the 15-minute. Yeah, I wouldn't look at selling this. I know someone said they're in a sell. Yo, I'd be very cautious about this, bro. I'd be very, very cautious about this, because if you look at structure here, we are bullish here as well. Price is creating higher highs and higher lows. So if you look at the lows, they are getting higher and the highs are getting higher. So to take a sell, yo, it's a bit risky, brother. It's a bit risky. But I mean, if your analysis is leaning towards that, then trade what you see, bro. But for me, currently, I wouldn't look at selling this. I wouldn't even look at buying this. Ideally, what I'd wait for here is a retracement. So I'd wait for a retracement of this big push to the upside, right? Because I do see this price did push up. Where's this tool? I wait for a retracement, wait for price to come to a nice strong psychological level, and then I'd look to buy to continue that bullish momentum. I'd wait for that. Let's have a look at US 30. Yo, look how alike they look, guys. Look at US 30 and then look at German. It looks so similar. I think for now this is going to continue pushing up. And the reason why is because remember the dollar is still pushing down on the 4-hour time frame. So if that's still pushing down, this is going to still push up. I think the only time we'll see this push back down is if the dollar starts pushing back to the upside. So please keep that in mind, guys. It's very important. As long as the dollar is still pushing down on the 4-hour, which is here, right? As long as we're still pushing down on the 4-hour, we're going to continue seeing this here. See here, if you have a look here now, right? Let me show you this. If you have a look here, the dollar is pushing down. Right? As long as this comes down, you're going to see indices going to continue pushing up. Doesn't necessarily mean that it's bullish overall, but I mean, on indices and stuff, you know, we trade on a smaller time frame. We don't really trade and hold for a long time out. For me, that is. And most of the people that I know, right? We're not trying to stay in there for years. So it's in and out, maybe an hour, half an hour, whatever the case is. So be very cautious of that, guys. As long as the dollar's coming down, I think we're going to continue seeing this here push to the upside. And wait for lower time frame structure to break and turn bearish before you start selling. So even if you just look at this 15-minute time frame here, right? If you just look at this, right? Price is bullish. Low, high, higher, low. Twice it couldn't break that. Higher, high, higher, low, higher, high. Right? So be very careful, guys. Very careful. Be careful. It's good. They stall stops using. I'm not sure what that is, bro. Momo Sudzo, what's up, my brother? Guys, please get the likes up. Please get the likes up. What's up, my gali? Away, my G. What's up, bro? Please check US 30. Guys, let's have a look at some currency pairs. I think for here, we're not going to see anything like. Let's not force trades. Let's not force trades and lose money, right? Let's wait for nice pullbacks, nice retracements before we look to take a trade. We're not out here trying to just blow money. So let's wait for clean setups, guys. Let's wait for clean setups. There's nothing wrong with taking a loss, but provided we see a clean setup and we take a trade, that's perfectly fine. But when we don't see a setup, we can't be taking losses and just because we're trying to get in something that is not looking 100% fine for us. So let's try and be safe. There's a low. This wasn't a bad buy. That wasn't a bad buy. Took out those highs. But let's try and see. Is there any currency pairs that you guys are looking at? What's up, Magali? Awe, Dre. What's up, my bro? What's the minimum account do you fund and how many lots and what amount? For me, bruh, I think like the smallest account I found is maybe 5, 6 grand around there. Like I rarely found anything lower than that, unless like maybe for example, let's just say I have an account and I make money off it, and let's just say I found like 10 grand and then I make like 23 grand or something like that. Then I'll just take out the 30,000 and I'll leave the 3,000 and I'll just go in full margin. But I don't really fund that, you know, like I won't really fund 3 grand or 2 grand or stuff like that. That's just if I got some change, I'll just leave it there and trade with it. But when I'm funding, I usually fund like 5, 6 grand minimum. But yeah, it does go higher as well. Is there any discount code for the classic accounts? I'm not sure. I must check for you guys. If you guys really want that, I can check for you guys and see what strings I can pull for you guys. The great G, what's up, Tapelo, my bro? Are you good? Can you also check EuroGBP? Okay. So a few people asked for JPY pairs, my bad. So let's have a look at that. I think for now, let's try and focus on clean setups, guys, because I do know from what I've heard from a lot of people that the markets were brutal this past couple of days. So let's try and get something clean setup. Even if you guys make small profit, it's better than taking unnecessary losses just because you're trying to get in the action, but the market's not giving you anything clear. Okay, I like this level of support here. I see here it was a resistance, here it was a resistance, here it was a resistance. Also see here it resisted as well. On the 4 hour, let's see what else I like here. Here I also like this area there, that high there. We can make that a psychological level of that 750 area. I think those are the only two strong levels that really stand out to me. Let's go into my 2 hour time frame and see what's happening here. Yeah, I do see there's a level of support around here. Psychological level of 250. Right, so it looks like we got that push to the upside. So overall price is bullish, right? Price pushed up, came down, rejected this level of support, and now it's on its way to the upside. Let's go into a lower time frame. So yeah, I can see price is creating higher. Oh my bad. I can see price is creating higher highs and higher lows. On the 1 hour time frame, you'll be a little more clear, I think, on the 30 minute. Let's have a look at the 30 minutes. Now you guys can see it a bit more clearly here now, right? So if you have a look here, you guys can see price overall is creating bullish structure from this point. It's creating these nice higher highs and higher lows, right? Be careful of the wicks though, right? EuroJPY throws some hectic wicks. So now what you guys can see, that's the new higher high, right? So what we're going to potentially see here is a retracement, right? So this is what you guys must do when you're trying to get an entry on a lower time frame, right? Go from the top and go down until you see clean structure. Only once you see clean structure, then you work on that time frame. Overall analysis, I know is bullish based on what I went over now. And I went all the way down until I can see, okay, cool, this is where I can see clean structure develop, right? I do see there's a level of support here that was a resistance. But that 500 is too far out. My 500 psychological level is up here. Let me bring this so I can see. My 500 psychological level is up here, right? So there's no psychological level in the center, but if I use this as my low and that as my high, I do see that we do have this minor level of resistance here. All right, this minor level of resistance here. So I think what you could wait for here, let's see, the center, that would be 375. I think what we could wait for here is the market to, I'm just going to make this a different color because it's not as strong as my other levels of support and resistance, right, in terms of the psychological levels. But as I said, we do see how the market reacted here as a resistance. It pushed up, rejected, came down. So what we want to see here is we want to see price come down to this level here, and we want to see proper candlestick confirmation and rejection. If we don't get it here, then we most likely could get it at the previous low as well, because overall price is still bullish unless it breaks below this previous low, right? So low, high, price comes here, get rejection as a high yellow, and then we'll push up and buy and target these higher highs, right? If we do not get the rejection at this level of support, this minor level of support, then what we can do is we can wait for price to come down to this previous low and see how it behaves here, Right? And if we get proper candlestick rejection, then we'll buy from this point and we'll push it up there. Does it make sense? Put the watermark on. How do I do that, guys? Let me know where I find that. I swear, guys, the strategy I'm using is boss. Got in a gold buy from 35, 45, 35. Yo, that's good, John. Well done, my brother. Why is my screen blur, guys? Are you sure? Yo, merch all sold out, Gali. Yo, there's a few left, bro. I have a few left. But I am placing another order because more people want it. So if you do want, just try and contact me just before I make the order. I'll most likely put in the order, not tomorrow, maybe on Friday or so. And then we should get the stuff maybe on Tuesday next week. Best currency pair to trade for 1 hour. I mean, for 100 Rand. Yo, trade a micro account, bro. Trade a micro account, dog. Try and trade a major pair like USDJPY or something of that sort on a small lot size. Market conditions, guys. Honestly, with market conditions now, it's better to fund more. Why is it blur, guys? Is it really blur? Oh, yeah, I can see what you're saying. But on my side, on here, it's showing clear. Let me see here. I'm not sure why it's blur, guys. Tell them to change the video quality. Hey, you know me, I'm not good at these things, guys. I'll press something, everything will go off now. So let me wait for them. US30 was killing people from Monday. Bro, I saw a clean sell on gold on Monday, guys. I wasn't even supposed to trade. But I saw a clean sell on gold. And I'm like, hey, let me take this thing. It's such a clean move. I even sent it on my signal group. Yo, that thing blew me so quickly at 10 o'clock, bruh. London Open. So quickly, bruh. Then I'm like, hey, when I come back on stream, I'll see what's going on. It blew, I'm sure. Well, it took us all out. But it is what it is, man. We traders. We take losses. We risk. That's what we do. Marcy, sorry, I know we ask a lot, but can you get a firm settings? Yo, okay. But it's blur. I'm not sure if you guys are going to see. That's my firm settings, guys. You must up your quality of the video, guys. Yeah, maybe it's your video quality on your side, guys. Yeah, I'm not sure, because some people saying it's clear. Let's see if you're having any retracements on German. See, no retracements yet, guys. Wait it out. You can't take a buy here. You can buy it, this thing can start retracing. You can buy right here on it, and this thing will start pulling back to come create a higher low to push up. So just be very, very careful. Let's see what's happening with gold, bro. What's up with gold, eh? What have you guys been trading for the last few days on stream? What were you guys trading? And how was the streams? Were you guys enjoying the streams? What's the likelihood of gold falling? Guys, there's a very strong probability gold can fall, man. Let me tell you why. As I said, the dollar is bearish, right? The dollar is bullish on the daily time frame. So if the dollar just starts picking up, you're going to see this here continue pushing down hectically. This could be the lower high, guys, that it's trying to form now. You know? So it is very possible, guys. It is very possible, right? Because overall, gold is bearish. If you look at it now on the 4-hour time frame, it is bearish. This could be the lower high for it to push down and create a lower low. So yeah, it's very, very possible, guys. It's extremely possible. You're trading NASDAQ, whatever. NASDAQ, US30, and gold. And how's it been? You guys have been enjoying it? You guys are learning from the streams, not learning? It's their quality. Oh, okay, cool. Refresh yours if it's blurry. US30 and NAS. And which sessions has been better in terms of timing? The London session or New York session for the last week or so? In terms of getting entries. Awe, Joe, what's up, my bro? What's up, my brother? Hey guys, I wanna trade, guys. I wanna trade. But yo, we have to find something clean. Nah, I'm waiting for something, bruh. I wanna wait for something. Even if I have to wait a little longer, I'm gonna wait, bruh. I wanna find something.
Okay, so please.
Learning a lot. US session, but has been better.
US session.
I wait, Ty. What's up, my G? What's up, my G? Back in Josie. Yes, bro. I'm back. New York session. So New York session has been better. Okay, cool. So at least I know I must pay attention in New York. Awe Irfano, what's up, my bro? What's up, my G? Made 250 from gold. Nice, Magazi. I'm going to trade again next week. Went to get crown. Hopefully the market behaves. No, 100%, guys. Marcy. Oh, Andrew's back. What's up, my bro? 100%, Andrew. 100%. Oil is dipping. Marcy, the chart is cut. Okay, sorry, my bad. Let me put it here. Remember the guy who said gold is going to 3 something? I think he was. Yeah, someone did say gold is going back down. Hey, the guy was onto something. I don't know what he knows. He knows something. We need to get him on stream. I don't know if he guessed it or he knows something. Kali saw some old posts of you all flipping 80 rand to 2K. Shout out my G. Yeah, bro. Yo, we've been flipping. I used to love flipping like that. There's no emotion there. You just hold the trade. Because you're only going to lose 80 rand. Yeah, this is looking nice for the buy. This is... Bro, how do I put the watermark here?
Hey, bro. Shakir keeps taking that watermark off. I don't know, bro. For the time frame, né?
Yeah. Hey, let me try and see. Let me try and see if I can put the watermark on for you guys. 1 second. Let me check. Hey, I don't know, man. I really don't know. But the war ain't over. Nah, it's short. Kali, my strategy gave me a buy on German. Yeah, German. Wait, now. Yeah, if you got in a buy at 2.2. Wait, let me just check, John, 1 second. 23. 2.5. Yo, bro, that's high up, my brother. Hey, that's very high up, my G. Be very careful, bro. Yeah, check here. No, bro. You can't be buying up here, bro. It's too high up. Check now. That's what I was telling you guys. Remember I was saying if you buy now, you can get a retracement at any time. This candle here can blow us, guys. This candle here alone can blow us. It's be very, very careful, guys. Be very, very careful. Oh, that was Winston on our group. That's it, 38. You look awesome, my brother.
You always do that.
What you mean? Guys, how does Alex look? Ask the chat. What do you think of Alex's foot? Calm down. They can see you. They can't see you, bro.
They can see me, bro.
What do you think of Alex's foot out of 10?
Out of
Show them your shoes, Alex. Show them everything. Show them everything. What you guys think, guys? How's Alex? How's some water, please, bro?
Yeah, let me get you water.
What you guys think of Alex's foot out of 10? What you guys think of Alex's foot out of 10, guys? Let me know in the chat. Go to watermark. I don't know where to find it, bro. Hey. Let me check. There's settings. Logo, no. Background, no. Oh, you're gonna put it for me? Watermark, please, bro. Yeah.
They just like watermark like it's in a desert.
There you go, guys. You guys can see now, né?
Like watermark.
Yo, Alex, they love your outfit, boy.
You good now, ne?
Huh? Yeah, I'm good, bro. I'm good.
Let's like the stream.
Guys, you're not liking, huh? 66 likes. You guys are not serious. You all are not serious about streaming, man. You all are not serious.
You know what they need?
Huh? What? Ish.
Give him a pair.
Huh? Is Alex, tell Alex they give him, they rating his outfit good.
Is it?
Yeah. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Hey, Alex is struggling with a girlfriend, guys. He's struggling to find the girlfriends. I won't lie. Just like how he's struggling to find the trades, he's struggling to find a girlfriend. But we're gonna help him. We're gonna help him. If you know anyone's available, send it to Alex directly. Go to watermark. Yeah, it's here now, guys. You guys can see. There's Alex. There's Alex. There's Alex. He's on his way back. Alex, they love the outfit, boy. 15. One guy gave you 15 out of 10. 15 out of 10, boy.
Hey! Alex always got that shit. You know what it is.
But I'm taking Alex to a barber now. We need to do something about the hair, boy.
Really?
Yeah, this hair is not the one.
Okay, you can fix me, right?
This hair is definitely not the one.
You don't think so?
Nah, Why don't you take him to the barber? We're online, boys. Why don't you take Alex to the barber? We're online. Yeah, we need to do something.
Yeah, can't fix me honestly, bro.
There's buys loading. Let me check. Let me check on my side, yeah. Hey guys, check USDJPY sells. Hey, it looks tempting, I won't lie. Let's check what's happening here.
Rocky, I'm gonna reply now to you, bro. I'm just finishing up something.
Check here, guys. Check what's happening here. So, but overall the dollar is bullish, as I said, man. But on the 4 hour it's bearish. Here it's bearish. See, it's tricking us, guys. Because here there's a high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low.
What's your
lower low. Could be a lower high for price to push down and give us a lower low. What's your thoughts on that?
Have a look at NAS100.
Yeah, I'm gonna have a look at it now. But then on the 1 hour time frame, it's bullish. See, that's why it's hard now, guys. That's why it's hard. That's why you guys were having issues this past week or so. It's because all the time frames are not aligning. It's very risky to trade like that. It's a very, very, very risky to trade like that. Can you check EuroJPY? Okay, let me check quickly. It's coming down. Oh, wow. It's coming. Let's wait for this 50. We'll wait for this 30-minute close. If it's 30-minute closes like this, then it could potentially buy. But let me just see the 4. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's wait for the 30-minute close. Because I do see the 4 hour also close within this time. If the 30-minute close like that, we can look for a small buy. Tell him Spike FX is in the house. Who's Spike FX, boy?
Spike is one of our space partners. He's on statistics, bro. He does very well.
Shout out Spike. What's up, my G?
His name is Rocky.
Likes are up. Nah, likes are not serious here, bro. 80 likes. You guys are not serious about anything. Yeah, still good. Check on gold, bro. Gold is on a strong level of support now. It's on a psychological level. It's on the psychological level of that 50. Check here. Be careful. What trade can I give? What trade could I have given you all? Nothing here, guys. I'll just be wasting your money if I send you all anything, yeah? I can't give you a buy underneath resistance. I can't give you a buy here. That's a small, terrible risk and reward. It's not really moving. We need to wait for a setup. Nas buy is loading. Likes are up. Here's still good. Camo. Yeah. How are you going to give the O1? You're not serious. Hard to tell. Gave me a buy from hit my TP, then gave me a breakout. Nice one, my brother. As long as you're making money, John. What's the minimum amount you need to have in order to be able to trade gold using Space Markets live account? Hey, I don't know, but on the bonus 100 account, you can open, bro. I think even 100 rand, if not even less. I think even less. We want gold, Gali. We want gold. Gold doesn't want us. Start giving us nothing. That's the problem. GJ. I also don't mind trading gold, but it doesn't look like it wants us today, my bro. GJ, there's a strong level of support. It rejected now that it's gone. Okay, I'm gonna check NAS now. See this level here? It respected this level here and went on without us. But that was earlier on, man. We weren't gonna get that. Price overall is bullish though. You guys can see price is creating higher highs and higher lows. So overall bullish. There is a level of resistance here though. Doesn't mean you must sell. Remember, if price is bullish overall, wait for buys. If price is bullish overall, wait for buys. Gali, how was the E31st? Guys, what an amazing experience, bro. What an amazing experience.
Gali was smoking shisha there next to his
Yo,
beamer.
bruh.
He was proper in the gully.
I was in the gully. The gully was in the gully.
Literally, bro. When I saw him
EuroJPY looking good.
bro.
Let me check.
I lost it, bro. I started laughing. You didn't see my comment.
I checked.
I was laughing, bro.
Yep, it's looking good, bro. I won't lie. It's not looking bad. The only problem with this is the stop loss gap is going to be big, man. The risk and reward. Let me show you what I mean. And as I mentioned, EuroJPY throws heavy wicks. Let's wait for the 30-minute because you know what can happen. See, if you take a buy here, right? Remember, this is a minor level of support, right? So let's say we take it here. Our stop loss has to be below this low. And that's our take profit. Risk and reward doesn't look amazing. Opposed to waiting for a nice low one like here. That'll be dope. Check what's happening now. But maybe it's going to come and reject. Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. That's why I said 30-minute is very important. Let's see this 30-minute close. This 30-minute can come all the way down and reject. That will be actually nice at the previous low. That will be dope. Put it, Uncle Sava. Kali, what you think about Mo Salah leaving Liverpool? Hey, I don't even care about that, guys. I don't even care about that. Is he really leaving?
Who?
I don't even know.
Who's leaving?
Mo Salah. How do we cancel a pending rescue account? I'm not sure, my bro. I'd be lying. Eh? I don't trade funded accounts, bro. I trade my own money. So I know how it works and stuff because I used to trade funded accounts in the past, but now I don't trade anymore. I just trade my own capital, guys. Can you check AUDUSD? Of course I can, bro. I can check it out fast. AUDUSD. See ya. Lower time frame bearish. For price to push down and creates a lower low. But 1 hour time frame. Let's see. Yeah, this sales look good, but it's within this area here. We're stuck here. I think let's try and leave the dollar pairs until we get the dollar to either break that previous low and turn bullish and turn bearish, or start creating higher highs and higher lows on this 1 hour time frame. I think dollar pairs for now is going to be a bit risky. Because even if you have a look here, you can see how this... You can see even the daily time frame. Big bearish candle here. And there's a huge wick to the upside for this previous one as well. So today's daily candle will give us a good indication of what we're going to expect. Because if this daily candle here peeps back above this level of support, then we could start to see bullish momentum from tomorrow. If it closes below, we can see this level of resistance is holding very strong and the dollar wants to continue pushing down to the downside. Any gold setups? Not for now, bro. Not for now, bro. Not anything for now. It's basically stalling here for the whole of this session. Basically just been around this area, not giving me any nice rejection or anything of that sort just yet. Focus on EuroGBP. I have to wait. Tapped in there, but I have to wait for the 30-minute close. So as soon as I see the 30-minute close, I'll see what's happening. Because if 30-minute close is also the 4-hour closes, and I'm not going to enter anything if the 4-hour closes like that. You see, I can't enter anything because that's showing me that it can't break above these highs. So I want to see how the 4-hour closes, and then I'll see how the next 15-minute thereafter or 30-minute closes, because the 4-hour close is also in 10 minutes as well. But as long as on the lower time frame we're above this, we are only waiting for buying opportunities. If there's no movements, New York, if there's no movements now, maybe we'll get New York that'll be pumping. Hey, but I want to trade, man. UK 100. Has anyone traded UK 100 on space markets? Let me know in the chat if anyone has traded UK 100 on space. EuroJPY might give us something. Yeah, if it does, we'll operate, guys. You guys know I'm always willing to operate with you always. Can I check EuroAUD? Let's operate. EuroAUD. So I do see from a euro, in euro pairs, there's a bit of bearish momentum coming in. Let me check here as well. There's a bit of bearish momentum coming in. EuroAUD, let's have a look. We got this level of support there. Let me make this a bit thing so I can just check. We got this level of support here. We got this level of resistance around here. We're currently within that area. This is a psychological level of, let's make it 750 and see how it looks. 750, yep, we can see it found support there perfectly on that psychological level. And here we can see a psychological level of 500. Oh, which is what it just rejected now. If you guys have a look, let me zoom it in closely. See how strong psychological levels are, guys, and why they're so important to have on your chart. Amen. What's going on here now? You see how... You see how strong psychological levels are, guys. Rejection. We're going to be stuck here. Overall, it is bullish, though. I wouldn't look to sell anytime soon. I'd wait for buys. If price comes to this previous low, I'd buy. If price comes to this previous low, rejects, I'd take a buy. Because if you look at structure, price is creating higher highs and higher lows. Reject, and then I'll buy again. And I'll target this same higher. In fact, this actually looks better than... what's going on here now? This actually looks better than the JPY one. But let's just see how the 4-hour closes now as well. Yeah, I'd wait for price to come to the previous low and take a buy. That's what I do here. Rejection, pushed up, come down, rejection. It's going to consolidate within this area. So that's a nice trade you guys can take. US NASDAQ sells. Oh, I wouldn't advise that personally. But I mean, if you're seeing a setup on your one, operate my G. Operate my G. Let me check something on my other side here. 1 second. Yep, I see US30 is coming down. German is stuck in that area of consolidation. Yo, US30 is retracing heavies, man. Let me open US30 and check for you guys. It's pulling back fast. Check how fast it pulled down. Yo! Retracing heavies. This is the low. That is the high. We're currently within the hot zone. We're currently within the hot zone. We're currently within the hot zone. Now we have to monitor for candlestick confirmation. Candlestick confirmation. There's a 500 level of psychological level there. Also see we have this level of resistance. Could this be a support? Could this be a support, guys? For price to potentially give us a higher low and push up and give us a higher high? We have to wait for candlestick confirmation so we can see. What is the dollar doing? Is the dollar pushing up now? Yep, that's what's happening. The dollar is starting to push up. Indices are coming down. So, guys, there we go. See this level of support here? Very important. We need to see how this 4-hour closes. If the 4 hours is going to reject it, stay above, or if it's going to go underneath. If it's going to go underneath, this could continue pushing down to create a higher low. If it stays above, there's a possibility that you could see the dollar starting to push up and follow that daily time frame that I went over. See the daily structure? Like so. For it to push up and create a higher high, there's a possibility it could do that. So this 4-hour close is also going to give us a more or less an idea of what we potentially could expect. If it closes above, we know, okay, cool, dollar could push to the upside. If it closes below, it could retrace further down or even go ahead and break structure. What do you all think? You'll see the dollar pushing up, continue pushing up, or do you all see it going down? Forget EuroAUD, can't be sell. No, so why you can't sell? Cause overall it's bullish structure. So I don't like to take counter trend trades, meaning if the market is bullish overall, I'd prefer to wait for a buy at a support. I wouldn't look to sell at a resistance. Because sometimes it can just stall at a resistance, but because the market is bullish, it'll then push up and break. Like for example, if you have a look here, right, you can see price was stalling under resistance, like it is here. But because momentum was bullish, it just pushed up. So had you taken a sell here, where's the sell? Is this the sell? Had you taken the sell here in anticipation for it to fall, you would have taken a loss. Why? Because overall price was bullish. Same story here. We can take a sell here because we see that rejection, but overall the market is bullish, so it could just, momentum could just shift and we get lots of bullish momentum and it'll continue pushing to the upside. Does that make sense? Let me know in the chat if it makes sense. Kali, what's the story? What brokers do you use on TradingView? On TradingView, we use FXCM to analyze most of the time, and for indices, I use Pepperstone. What am I looking to trading today, bro? Today, honestly, I'm looking to trade anything that looks good, bro. Anything that looks good, I'm ready to operate. Anything that looks good, I'm ready to operate, guys, honestly. Gold can come back, yep. Makes sense. Aware. Old gold going down. Let me check. Hey. Hey. If this 1 hour creeps underneath this level of resistance, that would be interesting. In 1 minute and 4 seconds. Because I see a breakout, I see a rejection. On my 15-minute, but see, it took out those highs, man. So this is technically a higher high. Now, it'll be forcing it. Let's not force it. But let's see how it closes. I'll let you guys know. Makes sense. It might fall. US 30 at 750 level. NZD JPY looking for some sells. Okay. Did you check? You didn't check NAS100. I think I did. I did check NAS, bro. Oh no, I didn't. You're right, I didn't. But wait, let me go back to think quickly. Don't do it, guys. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't be tempted. Don't be tempted. See why I said we need to wait for 4-hour time frame? Look at it now. It's now a thing. Look at how that 4-hour closed. See why I said we need to wait for the 30-minute, guys? Look how that closed. We got a big rejection now, and we could have a break of structure. Do you have a break of structure yet? Let's see. Wasn't a convincing break, but yeah, technically it is a break, guys. This is why we didn't enter there. See why it's so important to wait, guys? That's exactly why it's so important to wait. If you have a look here, we even closed below that 250, so we could see this here even tank even further down. USDJPY, let's see even here as well. Yeah, we could see this here starting to sell off as well, USDJPY. But let's see the dollar. But let me put this here there as well. I'll also see this level of Nah, still above a support. So resistance, support. We did reject there, but we're still above a support. Nothing for us to take now, guys. Nothing for us to take now. Yeah, it makes sense. We ride with the wave, not against it. 100%. We ride with the wave, not against it. Not against it. Not against it. Not against it. NAS looks like it's respecting this 250 area here, but the bodies are getting bigger, man. So it could push up. I wouldn't look to go against what it's doing on the lower time frame for now. Check US30 the day. Check US30 the thing. The daily wick. I mean, sorry, the previous 1 hour wick. I think after this 1 hour here, guys, we'll have an idea of what we're going to expect for the day. I mean, sorry, yeah, after this 4-hour close. If it's bullish, strong bullish candle, we can anticipate a continuation. If it's bearish, takes out this previous week, then we could start to see price starting to dip down. No pressure. One good setup is good, my G. We believe in you. Shout out, my brother. Appreciate that, appreciate that, appreciate that, guys. Yeah, guys, I'll never just send a signal just for the sake of it, whatever the case may be. And even when I take a trade and it's wrong, it's not that I didn't look at the charts properly and stuff like that. I always make sure I try my best to give the best possible signals. And yes, I will get some wrong. I'm not going to get everything right. I'm still going to get trades wrong. It's just what it is. But yeah, I'm not going to just push out a signal just for the sake of it. I'd rather not trade and wait for a good setup. Then just take a trade for the sake of it and lose money that I could have waited and taken a proper setup with, you know. It doesn't make sense. Bro, does Comit Capital issue all payouts? It doesn't have any hidden rules. All the rules are specified, bro. So as long as you follow the rules, there's no reason why they shouldn't pay out. I like how you take your time to analyze. Thank you, Noodles. Appreciate it, my bro. Thank you, bro. I really appreciate that, my G. No pressure, one good setup. A possible retest on NASDAQ. Let's wait for 4-hour closure, guys. Trust me, wait for 4-hour closure so we know what's gonna happen. Because if you look at the previous 4-hour candles, right, we had that bullish candle, but then momentum stopped. So we want to see now what's gonna happen with this 4-hour here. Are we gonna see more bullish momentum, or you're gonna see it reject that level and turn bearish? And if we see that, then we can look out for potential sells. Gold up, down. Yep. I told you. Look, we couldn't have taken anything here. What could we have taken here? Nothing. There's no setup, guys. There's no trade. Look here. Nothing. What could I have given you? A sell from here to here. That's not a trade. That's not a trade. Big respect. Really look up to you. I may not trade like you, but you really inspired by you. Thank you, brother. Appreciate that silent, my G. Shout out, my G.
Any trades yet?
Nope. Bro, fund 100k, max it out, bro. Let's see.
Bro, that's no problem. 2,000 knots, I'm going in.
Yeah, bro. I've seen the good side and the bad side of that, bro. So, hey, I'm not willing to go through the bad side again.
Bro, 100k pay, bro. Yeah. Bro, make 100k there. Blow 100k. Yeah.
But that'd be nice, eh? Maybe I must do that once. Fun 100k live with you guys and vying. Show you guys. Balls to the wall. I like how patient you are, Chief. That's why I only join live when you're on. Appreciate you, my brother. Appreciate you. But also I appreciate you guys, man. You guys also help me be a more disciplined trader as well, because I can't come here and just take a trade blindly because I look like a fool. So I also appreciate you guys, man. Also appreciate you guys. Shout out to all of you all, man. All the love and reposts and all of that. I really appreciate it, guys. I really appreciate it. I pray we all make it, guys. There's enough money for everyone to eat. What's so nice about Forex is that I can make money on something and you can make just as much. It doesn't affect my pocket. So there's no reason to be in competition here, because we all can make money. You know, it's not like another industry. If you open a chicken shop next to a chicken shop and yours is busy, then mine loses customers. No, with trading, everyone can make money. We all can live a good life. So that's the beautiful part about trading. There's no reason to hate anyone or be envious, because everyone can do it. So we must all just inspire each other. Taking trades as smooth as your hair. Short, my G. If you are willing to share, what is the most you have ever made in one day? Guys, I haven't made like crazy money. I've never made like $1 million in a day or so. I haven't. I've made good money overall, like in a month and stuff like that. But I'd say it's maybe like just over 270,000 or so, like in a day. But it was over multiple trades, not just one trade. I'm still gonna get there where I'll make R1 million, R2 million in a day, but I haven't done it yet. God willing, I'm gonna get there. Because remember, the same trade that I can make 10,000 rand, I can also make R1 million. That just increases my lot size. But I will get there. God willing, I'll get there, and we'll all elevate together. By the end of the year, guys, we all mustn't be the same as we are now. You know, we must all see improvement. So whether you're funding 500 rand and you're making 1,000 rand, by the end of the year, maybe you'll fund 1,000 rand and make 3,000 rand. You know, so it all depends on your lot sizing and your psychology. But as long as we know how to read the market, see what we're looking at, understand how price action moves, it will come. It's just a matter of time. And when I do it, it'll be real, guys. You know, and we'll go back. We look at this clip and say, hey, this guy told us he never made it. Now he really made it. You know, I'm not here just trying to impress people. I'm trying to make a better life for myself. So when I do anything, I do it for real, guys. I don't do demo accounts. I don't fake my lifestyle and try to show you guys. I don't.
Yo, let's fake it.
I don't rent things that are not mine. I don't do things like that, guys. I don't do things. So when I do something and I share it with you guys, you must know, hey, this guy worked for this, and it's really his. It's not some funny business trying to impress people to join him and stuff. I don't believe in that.
Yo, guys, 200 pips up. Oh my gosh, join the group. Link in bio.
Yeah, I don't do that. Bro, I don't know if anyone told you, but boxing really made a difference in your physique. Yeah, bro, it did. I hope it's good, bro. What you think is better? Gali to the world. You will make it, bro. Shout out, my bro, Damien. Appreciate you, my bro. Our Gali is truly the biggest homies in the Gali. Much love, guys. Real talk, boss. Shout out G10, my G. What's up? That's a symbol of a real trader. No setup, no trade. Guys, and I was so impulsive in the past, guys. I'll see something move, I will take it. And I lost so much of money. Don't do that. Marcy, you should do a count flip challenge for fun. Like 1,000 rand to 10K. To 100K. Yeah, that would be good. I've done that before in my community once. Not to 100K, that was to 10K. And I gave them 5K for the winner. Damien won. I think he took 1 grand or 2 grand to. What did he take it to? Another guy, like 37,000 on stuff on one trade. Yo, that's crazy. And I gave him 5 grand from my own pocket. Mazzani's made 3 bars plus in 2 days. Yo, that's good, bro. Yo, that's crazy. Shout out to him. When are you taking it on Tyson, bro? Hey. Bro, beat me up. Come to Bloom. I've never been, eh? I wouldn't mind checking it out. Your War Room podcast was fire. Thank you, my bro. Appreciate that. I was actually with the gents this weekend. On Friday, we was with the gents from War Room. Shout out to them. I was chilling with them. Buy on oil. Mark, let me know what on oil. What do I check? Which one you use? Just type it in and then I'll just have a look. How do you join my group? I do offer mentorship, bro. You can message me and I'll just tell you how to get in and what it requires, bro. This guy used to make 80 to 100 gents. He's the GOAT. Shout out, bro. Shout out. Let me know what I must type for oil, bro. There's a few different oils there. I don't really trade it, so I always forget. Can you tell Marco to come on stream? Nah, fam, you tell him, bro. What's your view on gold today? Right now, bro, my view is all dependent on the dollar. Right now, this could do anything. I see a 4-hour rejection, right? I see a 4-hour rejection at this level of resistance, but I also see that price currently, well, this is not closed yet, is rejecting this level of support here, right? So this is all because of the dollar. The dollar's, if you look at the dollar, we're stuck at this level of support, right? So I think if the dollar respects the support, we could start to see a potential push to the upside because this is a very strong level of support. It is my hot zone, and on my daily time frame, we are bullish as well. So I think if the 4-hour close above the support, we could start to see this start to push up, and then we could see gold start to push down. How's the spreads on space markets, bro? Best ever. Use the link in the description. Guys that are under my link on space, you guys have been withdrawing crazy for scalps and stuff. Don't say I didn't hook you all up. There's a lot of people in Bloom. If you're from Bloom, let me know. If you're from Bloom, let me know in the chat. I saw a few people say they're in Bloom. From Bloom. Have you been to Bloemfontein? Hey? I've never been there. Is Donald Duck speaking today? Hey, I don't even know. Hey, is Trump speaking today?
Yo.
Brandon called him Donald Duck. I am, bro. Let's link. Where? Josie. Yeah, I'll be doing something nice in Josie next month. In April. End of April. For those that are on stream, we're doing something really nice for you guys. The space is slightly limited though, so as soon as we launch it, just try and join. Signal for 300 and still available. Nah, fam, it was just for the 1 day. But shame, man, I gave them 3 signals. The one we won. The second one was last week, Thursday. I lost. The one on Monday, I lost. Hey, I owe them a lot. But as I said, I won't send them things. I don't send things if I don't see it. So when they lost, I also lost. It is what it is. But yeah, I'll probably have a session with them maybe tomorrow or so, going over some chart work and stuff. I want to try and provide them with as much value as I can, not just signals. But yeah, you tripping for a buy on EuroJPY. I think wait it out, bro, because the lower time frame broke structure, bro. The lower time frame broke structure. Hey, but it just broke as well. This is really a break though. But the 4 hour doesn't look good, bruh. Check the 4 hour, it doesn't look amazing, bruh. So be careful. This could just be coming up to create a wick. Because you see that rejection there. This 4 hour could just be creating a wick. So I'm not going to even consider this. He has a speech tomorrow. Krugersdorp. Aware, Bloemfontein. Bloom. Shout out to Bloom. Marcy, tell Stefan to stop chowing only on stream. Why he eats on stream?
Bro, your chow was in that mic, bro.
What you mean
He
chow?
was just chowing a roti, a biltong, a packet of chips.
You lie.
Bro, he's just chilling and chowing, bro. I told him after that, you know that mic sounds, you can hear everything.
How was that M3 spinning at the fest? Was it Ricardo? Yeah, I think he did. Ricardo did spin once. At the fest, 100%. We were chilling with him. Shout out to him as well. Who? As a chilling, bro. Now all the traders are good people, bro. If you just chill and talk to them, there's no one a bad person. Yeah, we're drinking, chilling, we're just relaxing, bro. Everyone's a good person, bro. It also depends on how you are as a person, no? That's how they will behave towards you. If you act like a shit person, they're also gonna treat you shit, you know? There's very few people that are not nice people. If you just carry yourself out properly, I'm sure they will respond the same way. If they don't, then just leave that person, you know? But majority of people are sharp. When do you end the stream? Yeah, I'm gonna end now, bro. There's nothing I can see that looks good, bro. Fundamentally, JPY is weak. I see that now. Because a few things did come down. Marcy, regarding your mentorship, is it pre-recorded videos or live sessions with the community? It's pre-recorded videos. It's live one-on-ones with me, one-on-ones, and it's group sessions as well. So it's all three. So I'll first tell you, okay, go watch these 5 videos. Once you've done that 5 videos, just to get you understanding of how I trade, and then from there we set up one-on-one Zoom calls where I basically see, okay, I'll basically explain everything again in detail, and then I'll see how you're applying it, because a lot of the times people can understand what things are, but the application is slightly off. So I'll go over each step individually, tweak it for you, make sure you understand it 100%, and then throughout that we always have group calls as well, where we basically monitor stuff, look at what we're looking at for the week. I'll show you guys how to look at things more on lower time frames as well. So yeah, it comes with everything. Ricardo's a G. How was the range day with him? Oh, that was dope, bro. Shout out to him, bro, for putting me on that. Shout out to him, bro. Kali, my uncle needs a 325i. Message me, brother. Message me with his budget, and I can get something sorted for him. You're also from the City of Roses, bro. Nah, I'm from Montclair. Where's City of Roses? What's City of Roses? I'm from Durban, bro. Kali and Alex, I'm doing a traders run soon, looking to give back to charity. Let the real traders something. Anything, bro, regarding charity, bro, you can message me directly, bro. Tell me, show me that it's legit and stuff, and I'll always do it, bro. I don't go around posting about that. I just do it myself. But yeah, I'm always keen for that, bro. To help less fortunate. I'm always game. Does the ads on live streams delay the live stream? I'm not sure. Does it? The ads, do they delay the live stream? No, they don't, bro. Marcy, you buy E30 parts from Nabil in Joburg. A few. So my car was built at someone that buys from Nabil, but I was gonna buy a wheel from Nabil. But what happened was I ended up finding the wheel I was looking for, so I didn't take that other wheel. But yeah, shout out to him. I'm waiting it out this week. Nothing wrong with waiting it out, guys. Absolutely nothing wrong with waiting it out. Wait for good trades, take good setups. As long as you're joining the lives, you're learning, or you're looking at your charts, that's totally fine. As I said, trading is like no other business. As long as you show up, sometimes not trading is going to save you money, you know? So just waiting for the clean setup. The long ads do. Yo, I'm not sure. I haven't seen it. May I have your Insta? My Insta is Marcelino_FX, brother. Marcelino_FX. Let me type it. Where's this text tool? Hey, I don't know where this text tool is now. How many subscribers are we on, guys? Can someone check? Please, can someone check? Hey, let me just type it for you. Let me just think. I can't find the text tool. It's MARCELINO_FX. That's my handle, bro. How many subs are we on? So what do you do for the rest of the day, bro? I wait like this, bro. This is what I do. Or I, like, for example, now, so this is where like mentorship and stuff keeps me occupied. Now, if I don't see anything, someone will message me, they'll ask for help. I'll jump on a Zoom call with them, see what I can help them with. But majority of the day, I'm just waiting for setups, bro. Trading can be very, very boring. 7.4. That's good, bro. Let's get to 8K. Let's get to 8K. Can you be a guest on my upcoming podcast just for building capital to do it? Just building capital. No problem, my brother. I can jump on, bro. No stress. Let me know when. I'm actually doing something with Top Trader. The Top Trader podcast on Friday.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I don't even know what it is, but
I want to put everybody on blast.
I'm actually going to want to do something with me. I'll check.
Put everybody on blast.
What you mean by that?
Just call everyone out.
I must call everyone out.
Everyone.
Yo,
Start fighting everyone.
there's a lot of things I can do, bruh, to be evil to people, but I wouldn't do that. It's not my business.
You just start a whole new drama, bro. Just start
Nah. For what? What am I gonna gain by that? I'm not gonna gain nothing, bro.
Publicity, all publicity.
For what? What difference are gonna make in the charts?
Bro, yeah.
Nothing.
That's just gonna make your trade worse because you're gonna be thinking about the drama.
Yeah, flip that. Always follow you from Cameroon. Oh yeah, shout out my bro, shout out from you. Cameroon, yo, we got people from Cameroon here. One of my best soccer players are from there, bro. Samuel Eto'o.
Oh, that sounds
You don't know anything about that, Alex.
I do.
Soccer. Aye.
Bro, football.
You love it.
Soccer, football.
The biggest in the gully. Shout out to Keys. I hope you guys have been joining Keys' stream as well, guys. Hope you've been joining Keys' stream as well. How do I get confirmation on an entry, bro, when a price hits the zone? Wait for candlestick confirmation, bro. So when a price hits the zone, you want to see candlestick confirmation, that is where the candlestick or how the candlesticks are behaving at that level, telling you that it's respecting that level and wants to push up in the opposite direction. Only once you see that, you take it. Samuel Eto'o, yeah, bro. Yo, what a striker that was, bro. What a striker. Not as good as Drogba, but he was good. Members from Verulam, shout out guys in Verulam. Hey, I was raised there. I wasn't raised there, but I was there till I was 5. I don't know anywhere there. All I know is there's a place where there was a big bridge, like a steel bridge. It was close by there. That's all I remember. And then I remember there was a taxi rank and there was a KFC there. And I always used to ask them to buy me KFC. And sometimes they used to say I'm grounded. I'm not even grounded, but I think because they never have money, man. Shame. But it is what it is. I always ate though. But just not KFC every day. 8K, brother, you doing 8K? I don't. Bro, I tell you, I do giveaways. Whenever you guys make the next 1,000, I will make sure I give you all to the giveaways. Does the profit cap on the classic 100 accounts? I'm not sure, bro. I'd be lying. I can check for you and let you guys know tomorrow. I must host an event for 8K. We're hosting an event next month, guys. I'm not sure if I'm meant to tell you guys that. But yeah, shit, it's okay. We're family, I can tell you. Why is he speaking facts about Verulam? Yeah, you guys know that place that I'm talking about. It's a big steel bridge. There's a taxi rank close by and there's KFC there. Nice KFC. I remember I used to smell it every day. Kali, where's the merch? You need to do it on a website. Yeah, I need to do a website, guys. A lot of people said I must do it, eh? But my merch is fresh now. Shout out to all the guys that bought merch. Appreciate you guys. Appreciate the love and the support. I really appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much. As I said, I didn't make any profit of it, but for you to take your money and pay for it, it means a lot to me, guys. Thank you. And the quality is dope, guys. You can ask those that have already purchased. Check the chart. What can I check, bro? There's nothing to check here, bro. It's so boring. Okay, maybe I can check this. Maybe I can check this. Shh. Could this be the high yellow for it to push up? Let's see the 1 hour first. Nope, that's a cock 1 hour. But this 4 hours closing in 36 minutes. Oh yeah, this will be nice. Okay, listen now carefully, nah, because I'm gonna go off soon. If this 1 hour closes above this previous week, okay, then there's a very high probability we could see price push up one more time to these highs, and if not, even break above it. If this 4 hour candle, right, in the next 35 minutes close above this previous week, it's telling me there's lots of momentum because price will have broken out of this whole area that it's struggling to break above now. Then look for buys and target that's previous highs. You've been living Josie. I've been living for Josie for 18 years now. Oh, away, bro, away. They still run that KFC, bro. Hey, that KFC was nice, bruh. Yo, I remember it was dope. I was born in Tongaat, Verulam. We neighbors. Away. Yeah, it's close by, I think, nah? You come to Cape Town. Say when you're here, and I'm there. Yeah, I must come to Cape Town, guys. Waiting for the talk to me nicely much. Okay, give me some time. With that much, you guys want it in black or white in terms of the t-shirt? Talk to me nicely. Must it be in black or must it be in white? Last question, bro. Do you use fixed stop loss on certain pups or do you use structure? Very good question. I use structure, bro. I use structure. I don't use fixed because entry points will differ. So I have to use structure. Yes, when and where we come and trade in the venue with the merch. Okay, yeah, that would be nice, yeah. But a lot of the guys work, man. So to do a stream, I mean, to do like live trading, I think if you guys must tell, maybe it must be a public holiday, so most people are off because the markets will still move, and then we can live trade, so everyone can come during the week. Because a lot of the times people work, so it's gonna be hard for you guys to take off and stuff, you know. So when are you having a live event in Durban? I'm most likely gonna have it. So next month is April. We're doing something in Joburg. So probably the month after, I'm gonna have it in Durban, and then after that, I'll do it in Cape Town, or vice versa. Black with red. So a black t-shirt, okay? Yeah, a few people said black. I was thinking white with green. That would be nice. But if you guys like black, we can do black. Black with red or black with gold. Ish, that would be nice, huh? Black with gold. Ish, black with gold would be nice. Black with gold would be nice. But yeah, fam, that's it for me. Let me get going. Unfortunately, there was nothing for us to take today. But yeah, I'll be live again tomorrow at 10 a.m. and let's see if we can cook up then. And yeah, enjoy the rest of your day, guys. There is other streams coming on towards the end of the day. I don't know, just check who's up next. And then yeah, maybe you guys can chop up some setups with those people that are on, or those traders. And yeah, how do you get access to my merch? Just message me on Instagram, bro, and then I'll let you know. Cool, guys. Enjoy the rest of your day. Stay blessed, and I'll catch you tomorrow, same time. Goodbye.